What's up, Steel City? Next live too, but I told him I can't stay long. It's not it's not real easy modding while driving, especially when I want to avoid shit happening right. Oh yeah. That's right. Yeah, I know, buddy. But I still fill in for others. I miss Mr. Manley again, but I didn't really take tonight. I was fucking moving ass. I got that panel done. I'll post a video about it, completed. I didn't run it because I don't know how to operate that fucking... And they don't have the chiller unit on and a bunch of other shit, so... That was a lot of fucking work. There's 3-aught conductor, and it's like the real hard copper shit. I probably dulled the shit out of my cable cutters. They're Kleins, by the way. It is, buddy. But I also want to go do a live stream. See, I'm smart. It works for both of us. If I go duel with him, he'll get like 1,000 views or whatever. And then, yeah, it is. He'll get like 1,000 views. And then it somehow boosts my shit again. So, I need to do it more often. Like, 2-3 times a week. Maybe. I'll go duel with you if you want. Whenever. Yeah, it was stiffer than my hard cock. Sup, everybody? Hope you're having a great fucking day. People join in. How's it going? How do you do? I'm an electrician. I just finished up today. I was building a panel. Honestly, it didn't really need to be done, but I guess the safety committee wants fucking an e-stop installed. So, in order to do that, you need a contactor of some sort. So it's 600 volts coming in, and then from the 600 volts, it goes my fusing down to a step-down transformer, 600 volt down to 120 volt. It's only 500 VA, so half a... It's not that powerful, let's just put it that way. And then that powers a 24 volt power supply. And then that shit goes through an e-stop. Then the e-stop, if it's pulled or if it's pushed in, it'll kill the contactor, the coil voltage. So yeah. What's up, tree wheeler? Fuck yeah, blow this piece of shit up, right? How's everybody's day going? I'm in a goddamn Chevy Silverado, and hopefully we'll be back in a black one soon. I'm gonna push to have that fucking thing returned. It's total horse shit. Paying for it, not even having it. Ooh, no, it's not 500 watts. It's 500 volt amperes. How do I call it? Parent power, reactive power, active power. So yeah, 500 VA is active power. Yeah, wattage is apparent power. It's what the fuck? The snowmobile and dum-dums. There's no fucking snow. Fucking idiots. One was a four-wheeler, but still. A bunch of slushy shit. Can you Obviously the road's not that fucking cleared. So yeah, if it's 500 volt amps, oh fuck me, I don't even want to remember. I put 3.5 fuses in, 3.5 amps. It'll fucking work. It's too low. It's supposed to be like 2 amps. I don't really give a shit. 1.5 amps ain't gonna make or break it. If it's grounded, it'll trip the fuse immediately. It'll blow the fuse immediately. I mean, fuses blow, breakers trip. Oh my god. They go back the fucking right up. Hey, there's a pond with ice on. I bet that'd be a great idea to go fucking skate on that, eh? Yes, but when you read a transformer, it's based on kVAs. That's what that transformer can deliver. There's a difference of wattage. Yeah, this is when you get in the advanced things like that meter of mine that I got, that Fluke 43B. Power quality analyzer. This kind of shit is what power quality comes in. Wattage is what's needed of an appliance or the welder itself, right? No, that's still a bad example. Okay, if I have a room of about 5-10 horse or motors and pumps, what bullshit, okay, they will draw a certain amount of kilowatts. But you need a supply that has a certain amount of kVAs. The transformer has to be at a certain amount of kVAs. The kVAs are always higher delivery than what the kilowatts can be achieved, because that transformer burns off a lot of power in harmonics and heat. Therefore, you need to upsize a larger transformer for your actual power. It'll all be on your power bill too. That's how power bills get complicated. You have apparent power, active power, and reactive power. Reactive power comes in harmonics, electronic bullshit, a bunch of weird shit going on in your power system. Your actual kilowatt usage is what the machine is drawing, but they bill you on that active power. Hydro One bills you on that volt ampere measurement. It's a little different. Wattage and volt amperes are close, but they are not the same fucking thing. Somewhat. About the efficiency thing. There's so many like borderline wannabe engineers. Holy shit. Borderline wannabe engineers that are on YouTube. I don't think they are actual engineers, but they have a lot of like hobby meters and shit. They explain that kind of shit really good on YouTube. I did, however, do a week-long course. This was, mind you, 5 years ago, so I've forgotten a lot about it, but I took a go from it. But I did do a week-long power quality course, and it was online. It was cheap as fuck. It was like $600. But $600 for 4 days, that was my, like, my minus fucking taxes, right? But my company would have paid me that in my fucking wages. So, yeah, fuck, another shitty thing. Power loss because of resistance and heat. Yeah, sorta. There's a lot of shit going on in electricity that there's harmonics. Oh, fuck, yeah, my brain's done. That install's pretty fucking tough to do. But I got her done. Then I had to hook up the fucking water. Was a chiller. I had to hook it up. modify my panel a few times. Back, I got it though. Still squeaking. But yeah, if you ever walk, well, fuck, I'm sure you get into some industry calls. If you ever walk into a mechanical room, just look at the transformer for the units. And I'm talking like a big fucking thing in the gray case. It'll have KVA rating. Take a photo of it, send it to me in the Discord, and it'll make sense of it. Something like that, though, an electrical engineer, they size the shit up, not the electricians. They're supposed to. An electrical engineer is supposed to size all this shit up because there is like the kilowatt usages of all the loads and bullshit, but you need the KVAs, they're always higher. Like the gigantic press that, fuck me, sucks. Oop. I didn't realize my highs were on. I meant, whatever, we got about another 5 minutes alive, and then I'll jam it all in. Then I lose everybody. By the way, I had, holy fuck. Are there OPP Jeep vehicles? I swear it had the black and white paint on it. I don't know. Sorry. The big press where I used to work, 3,000 ton. The main breaker, I do believe, is 2,000 amps or 3,000 amps. I forget. Pretty sure it's 2,000 amps. Because it's just a press. It's not fucking the John Labatt Center. That thing in London is 3,000 amps. The main breaker, the whole entire stadium. So yeah, 2,000 amps. In the transformer for the thing, it is oversized. It's 1.5 megavolt amperes. So it's 15 million, sorry, fuck me, 1,500,000 volt amperes of power going to that motherfucker. And the guy that they let go, that they're fucking dumb, he was borderline like an electrical engineer. He wasn't fully on, but he knew of it. And I was the only other guy in the plant that made sense, because everybody else is all like, I don't care, blah, blah, blah. Don't worry about it. It's like maybe $100,000 thing to replace it, but that transformer is dying, and it's dying fast. That's their main money maker. Like, that thing makes about fucking $800,000 in a shift. But no maintenance manager wanted to take it seriously. So, I stopped giving a fuck, and that's kind of why I left too. But it should only be 1 million volt amperes. 500,000 kVAs is still an insane amount. But because it's so fucking huge, it's humming like hell all the time. It's hotter than fuck all the time. And it's slowly degrading the insulation of that big ass transformer. And mind you, this thing is 27,000 volts. So 27 kilovolts coming in. It's literally the line voltage of the fucking, like, the hydro poles you see out here. Mind you, they might be 4160 out here in this town. But a lot of industry of main plants, the incoming voltage is usually like 27,000 and a couple hundred volts. It's like 27.4, whatever. So it's 27,000 volts coming in, humming like a motherfucker on the primary side of that transformer, and then it steps it down to 600 volts. 600 volt, and I believe at the MCC it can output 3,000 amps, but it only utilizes 2,000. And again, that transformer is not slowly, it is fastly dying. Like, the insulation is degrading. And I made some improvements to that fucking thing, and it was simple as shit. There's these cooling fans that they had that was set on auto, but it had to get up to like 80 Celsius or something stupid. And I don't know where these temperature sensors are. I don't think they were working. Because I did a lot of thermal inspections, and that thing was getting fucking hot, like 200 Celsius. And then I turned on the fans. I just had them always on. And it cooled it down like fucking a quarter of the heat. And it shut up. It wasn't humming so fucking loud anymore. So, yeah. I think I have a video of all that shit somewhere. I'll try to find it. Right? And I hope it does soon. And I kind of hope the main motor catches fire too. Because I save them a lot of fucking money. I would clean the main motor out. Because they have this stupid thing that's an oil sprayer for the parts. And then I apologize in advance, everybody. It may be my data, I kind of think it's YouTube too, but this patch is always shitty. Anyways, what I was saying about the motor, by the way, so it's a good sound. There, hopefully we're back. Yeah, sorry. The blower fan to the fucking DC motor sucks all the shitty oil in the air, especially from this oil sprayer that lubricates the parts. And then it just blasts it in the motor. And then that thing, every time I check it, but right before I go to clean it, it's half a mega ohm. It's supposed to be like 2,000 mega ohms. So, yeah. And then I just stopped giving a shit in the end, because none of them were even listening to me. I had to like over-explain it, and then they would go, "Oh, that's bad, isn't it?" And I'm like, "Yeah, no shit." So, fuck. We're not lagging it. I'm back, aren't I? Or is it still fucking cutting out? Well, look at that fucking snow mountain, still there. Even after all the shit melted, that thing will never leave till like June, probably. What's up, everybody? My name is Mr. Fucking Fear. I hope you're having a great Sunday. I work Tuesday, Wednesday, off Thursday, work Friday, Saturday, Sunday. All 12-hour shifts. Now I'm off tomorrow, Tuesday, painting for a welder. I want to see that motherfucker in action, because that's probably been my biggest upgrade I've done. Yeah, K-Dog, it's me. What do you need, fucking proof? You've never even seen me before. I know you're Papa Trucker's Monty, so what's up, dog? Yes, I'm the real fucking Mr. Fucking Fear. Thanks, buddy. Hopefully we're better fucked up, but they need to bring by a plow to clean this shit up, because it's turning to ice, right? Oh, piece of shit. Oh, fuck. Perfect. There. Huh? What do you mean you get kicked for some reason? Are you talking on mine? Sometimes my drives are short. Like, another 5 minutes on here. Or do you mean something else? fuck it's windy. Well, I have it. Well, no, that's normal. That YouTube automatically sets it to private when you end it. I have to go back and click it to be public in order to watch it. There, we should be back. No, it was only that little bit. The app itself fucked up where it went black. I don't know why. It's pretty good. Fuck me, I went straight again. Oh. It always fucks up down here when I go down this road. If I get on the other one, it sometimes work. Usually don't. I only pin the message to make y'all like known. It won't let me add a fucking post or one of those other fucking things. It's dumb. I want to see that fucking evaporator used tomorrow. I'm gonna burn a bunch of shit. We should just be burning all the house garbage in that thing rather than going back to the bush and burn it. Just telling that. Whoa. Well, that was a lot of shit. It's not my service though, it's YouTube to a degree, okay? Especially like, you know, when we watch the truckers that have fucking Starlink. YouTube servers, I think, are shit to a degree. For whatever reason, it's just picky. Because I'm serious. It'll crap out. I will go on, I usually have a Google page loaded already, but the speed test, and it's showing I'm like 100 megabyte speed and like 5 to 10, whatever they'll upload. It doesn't make any fucking sense. So that's my spiel, yo. I think there's so much fucking activity going on YouTube. They crap down the speeds or whatever. My end, my broadcasting live end to the YouTube receiving end, I think they shit that down in order for the higher fucking channels that get more action, more oh my god, more action, more volume. If Nick's still alive, I'll probably end mine so I can eat, but I'll mod for him, and then I'll see if he what the fuck? Does he even plow this shit? I'll see if he wants to go dual. I thought of building, but look how fucking dark it gets. It must be like, oh my god. I just give up. It must be cloudy. I love how it fell, but it landed like, holy fuck, it must have blown in today. It landed right in the shit holder. Here, I'll fix it. What am I up tonight? It's not windy. I'll start a fire. Alright? Is that what you want? Is that what you want? I'll go to the fucking wood shop. I hope y'all heard that. We'll see. I'm gonna make it a bam. YouTube short uploaded. Holy fuck, this township really neglects their fucking roads. I don't even know if they've been out lately. Did that go through? I mean, you obviously know I'm drinking some beers when I get home. What's up, country squirrel? Yeah, I'm in Ontario, buddy. East of Lake Huron. Sorry, it was, I guess something else. 4 minutes. What the fuck is this Google GPS on? Wild woman. Is your autocorrect fucking up again? Nope, I just say y'all more than the Americans do. I think Steel City's on the same page. The whole Canadian niche, nobody fucking says it. I only will. Holy fuck. I think it's some of the weld shit, but I didn't weld today. Oh, I did cut the copper cable, or... Oh, no, that was it. I cut the fucking conduit with the grinder. It's plastic shit. It's probably coming up now. I breathe that shit in, I think. Sorry, I only go, hey, fucking hey, bud, when bringing it up, like, oh, you're a Canadian. But none of us say that shit ever. But I do say y'all a lot. I'll go, fucking, what's going on, y'all? Or fuck, I don't know. I don't fucking know, bud. Oh, we're in the dark, Mr. fucking Beer. No, we're not. We're just... It's hush time. That's all it is. That's all it is. Holy fuck. My cabin thing's pretty... I don't know why it's standing out, but it looks taller than normal. Yeah, I don't really want to build on it tonight because there'll be so much snow or whatever bullshit. I'm gonna have to dig it out. It's froze. Bucket. Isn't it the same shit? Like, Michigan's technically more north than where I am. I'm not in northern Ontario. The fuck? Did it snow here today? It must have. Snowing and blown over. Didn't do shit in the town where I work. But it ain't enough for me to go fuck it and grab a... I don't get why we don't put the bucket back on the goddamn loader. There you go. Well, I don't know Michigan enough, so thanks for the M&M's from Michigan. Not much to know. He's kind of gay. Marshall, whatever the fuck, Marshall Chalmers? No. Marshall, I don't know his real fucking name. Fuck it. Wow. Well then, bye. No, I'm just joking. I am ending it soon. We're just not there yet. He's just jealous because it's pretty obvious. Electricians are king of the trades, buddy. Woo! Oh man, electricians get the most poontang out of every trade. We at least put a little bit of spark or shock them girls with how big our wallet and how big our dicks are. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, I'm not building tonight. I can see the fucking... It's funny how those cables that are supposed to help support the hydro pole do nothing. Oh, I can... Oh yeah, y'all can see it too. The cable that feeds the shed. Or I should call it the cable set. Anyways, it's blowing like fucking crazy. I didn't really feel it in the... Of course they do. Oh yeah, I remember now. Papa told you to check out my channel or something, so you probably clicked on me. Yeah, you lay pipe and other dudes professionally. Sorry, they lay pipe and yo pipe. You're quite familiar with dock when it comes to the docking procedures. Oh shit. Oh, okay. Well, somebody from Papa, that's a moddie. Who's the other mod? Anyways, they did some. So. Alright, y'all. It's 8:16. I do want to make a phone call to some very important people. Because I'm their... I almost said it. I'm not gonna... Well, I'm not gonna end it right away. I'm just letting y'all know it's soon gonna be done. I think it deserves at least one beer in the parked in the laneway. Don't y'all agree? I think so. I ain't going by yet. I'm just saying. It's 8:16. It's 8:17. Shit, it's even later now. But we're getting there. We're not there. We're just getting there. Aight? Yeah, I don't know. This morning's live was pretty good. I hit... fuck. I can't remember if it was 259 or 359. One of them, and like... Not 10 likes, but it's pretty close. What's up, Nick? Why you done? Or... Can somebody go see if he's live? I told him to come watch me drive, but I'm not driving now, so it doesn't count. I'm wondering if he's watching again, which I thought was funny. Oh, so he is. Okay. What's up, Ding Dong? Never mind. I totally missed that comment. That's hilarious. Well, if that's fuck case, I am in it. No, I'm just joking. But I soon will be. Nicholas. What are we gonna do? You wanna do a dual live later, buddy? And I'm not taking no for an answer. I don't know now. I may not want to go into the wood shop. I didn't realize how fucking windy it is. You guys never operate a wood stove, and this shit doesn't taper. It's just straight all the way up. When it's windy out, it's a horrendous fucking nightmare to start it. So, we'll see. I doubt it. Oh, alright, well. Have a good night, everybody. And remember, there is somebody out there who does give a shit about you. Okay? Prioritize your life and put yourself first. And I don't mean in a way that you're gonna fuck everybody else over to, get your goals. Do things the right way, do it positive, and try to better yourself, alright? Take care, everyone. Have a great fucking night. I'll probably be back later. Love y'all. Bye.